Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
With a splitting force of up to 25 tons, the oak logs are quickly and effortless out. With a capacity of 140 tons per hour at a crane that extends up to 11 meters. The Chip Max 484VR can devour hundreds of tons of timber in just one day. Truly admirable patience. He managed to uproot the tree stump using nothing but a hand-powered pulley.
Oh, it's coming incrementally. Oh, it's coming. And you see, you can't see it. Yep. Is it getting easier? Look. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Wow, a massive ancient tree, perhaps existing since prehistoric times, majestic and overwhelming. But now, it's being skillfully harvested by talented workers.
9 foot 10 inches.
Ох ты!
Amazing, the TT4, with 200 horsepower, is rescuing a 40-ton log truck stuck in the deep, snow-covered forest.
Ну а так попробовать взять. Сильно. Так он как-то не в это. Больше-то уехал, он держит. Что-то он как копанный. Пошел вроде. Вон, а как-то достать еще. Блин, новый, недавно новый поставили. О, давай, родимый. Класс.
The Diamond 2000, with 612 horsepower, is devouring hundreds of tons of timber per hour, absolutely mind-blowing. A 100 centimeters wide, 25-meter tall pine tree was brought down with his outstanding skill. Watching him swing the axe to chop through the oak log is truly satisfying. Look at that. The Matovik M14 is carefully stacking freshly harvested logs at the depot, neat and precise. The Morbark Model 30RXL chippervester, with 1.050 horsepower, is rapidly chipping through hundreds of tons of timber in no time. The homemade forwarder is proving its power, conquering even the toughest terrain with ease. The Volvo FH 16600, packing 600 horsepower, is tackling a sharp turn with 30 tons of timber on its back. The WG250 HIM Pro 1000 cone splitter, with a splitting force of up to 25 tons, effortlessly separates logs along their natural grade. With minimal effort, the 50 cm log splits apart quickly after just a few strikes.
There's that Burke. You want the Burke?
Wow, look at that, the John Deere 1110DVOWIS. With 160 horsepower, is carrying 9 tons of timber through the muddy forest without breaking a sweat. The semi-truck, with around 300 horsepower, is effortlessly pulling 35 tons of timber, stretching up to 18 meters, through a sharp turn with ease. The semi-truck, packing 600 horsepower, is effortlessly hauling 40 tons of timber, stretching up to 15 meters, through rough terrain without breaking a sweat. Oh, it looks like the truck is struggling with this bumpy road. The 550 horsepower truck is powering through the road, effortlessly hauling dozens of tons of massive logs, no terrain too tough to handle.
Fitted with 550 horsepower cat engines, yards to the log landing. Keen interest in the way the loads are made up. The weight, plenty of weight on the front end, but not too much. Pretty soon, trucks are underway all over the division. It's the time when the truckers really start to back down the hills.
Wow, an incredible display of sheer power.
Sujétalo con el bigote para que no se te corra la rueda. Ah, sujeta. No, si yo cacho que la